but it probably end up in the trash. Bulletproof, me and Biden got the same glass. Hoes know I get to the point like an elbow. When we kick it, they gon' get it hard like a shell toe. They gon' put me to their jaws, nigga, like a cell phone. They gon' tuck me in they drawers right next to they pale bone. My bitch save a lot of money on her penny bill. She say they feel too tight and call me Ryan Tannehill. If she don't cook for me, man, I bet her Grammy will. She say she like me more than her switches in the wheel. Speaking of a Grammy will, slap a nigga no appeal and go to war with my dogs like I'm Jonah Hill. You know I'm leaving out the game with 100 mil formula. Voice plus drugs times sex appeal. This'll probably land a record deal. Deshaun Watson, I'ma need 230 mil. Price went up since the last time I set a bar. Hybrid nigga burning gas in my electric car. Trust as far as I can throw you, I can't throw you far. You a bird side on you like my name Lamar. If she let me hit, rate her like I'm Derek Carr. Niggas say please come home, I know where you are. She spend your money, then you a dummy. She spend your money, then you a dummy. I know that you got your money up, but let me break it down. Heard your shit, it's not art, nigga, you should take it down. That hoe is a headache, gave me head, and it's aching now. Yeah, she want my achy breaky heart, that shit breaking now. She be playing games, bop it, twisted, and she yank it now. She know I'm a fucking soldier boy, she let me crank it now. She want me to keep her warm at night, guess I'm a blanket now. Only eating classy bitches out, I'm at a banquet now. 2 girls and they playing with my boss like it's Wimbledon. Had them late night, I Jimmy Kimmel them. Said he want her back, but he trembled. Beat a nigga's ass, Patty pimbled them. Put him on assembly lines and reassemble them. That shit should be simple, cause that nigga is a simpleton. I ain't simping for a hoe, don't care if I get 10 of them. I'm trying to teach niggas what to do, it's just a principle. When they want attention, I don't give it, they invisible. Since I took my heart off my sleeve, I'm invincible. Superman, but I ain't saving hoes, I'm a criminal. I ain't seen the lowest lane, man, that bitch is fictional. She won't have me whipped, cause a nigga at the pinnacle. Plus I'm cheap as fuck, like a bottle of whipped pinnacle. Hope you got the message, man, this shit is not subliminal. I put that on God, man, you know my name is biblical.